Hi guys, it's Michael here from CTFloors, a division of CT Industries. Today I'm going to talk to you about the removal of epoxy. So in this project we're doing a candy factory and we want to create a floor that's going to be robust enough to take the beating of sugar. Basically, any chemicals can be detrimental to concrete. You need to put a coating over that, and the right coating is what is necessary for longevity in a project. This floor is a failed floor currently. It's an old epoxy floor. Now the problem with epoxy is it gets extremely hard, and that hardness translates into being brittle. So any impact starts breaking up. It literally shatters and then starts breaking up over time as it gets traffic. So let me show you quickly. An area such as this, for instance, where it got impact, it started breaking up and then it starts breaking away as you go along and literally just starts peeling off the floor. This is a major problem that you get with epoxy. Epoxy also has this issue when it comes to heat. It doesn't handle heat very well. It also doesn't handle thermal shock very well. So especially when you're in a situation where you need to clean floors by steam cleaning it and so on and so forth, epoxy is not the greatest product for that. However, it is a great product to take abrasion. So a lot of traffic over it, fine, it's a stunning product. The other thing that it's nice with is it retains its color over time. The problem is that a lot of people use the term epoxy interchangeably, and as such you're going to talk about an epoxy floor when you're talking about a polyurethane floor, when you're talking about a polyaspartic floor, etc. And that is a very big problem. So in this case we're removing an epoxy floor because it is failing in this situation in wooden blocks. And we're going to do this project, and in the next video we'll be showing you about how we prep it, how we remove the epoxy from the concrete, and how we're going to then later in the video after that install a polyurethane product, and I'll take you through the advantages of polyurethane then. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, look out for the next video, and keep well. Cheers.